Hey Goose, so Goose, we're not going to be doing a video game video today since it's kind of a nice day, Goose, a tiny bit. We're going to be going, I think it's a tiny bit nice, because we're going to be going to look for birds, Goose. And Goose, I'm going to be telling you some good news, Goose. And Goose, I'm actually really not scared at all to tell you, Goose, what I'm going to be telling you, Goose. So Goose, I don't know if that made sense. Because I'm going to because if it did. It is actually chilly, Goose. Because it's never going to be warmer when I get into sun, Goose, which is coming up really soon, Goose. And because I'm going to stop it right now. Oh, that's actually better. That's way better, Goose. It's good, Goose. I hear birds, but yeah. So Goose, excited to hear this. It's good, wonderful news, Goose. I'm going to be turning into a bird trainer, Goose. Bird trainer, Goose. I'm so excited for this. This is going to be the first time I'm ever going to be a bird trainer, Goose. So, Goose, when I say one, it's not going to, Goose, Sam's going to get used to me since I'm going to be turning into a bird trainer, Goose. Super excited for that, Goose. Why would I not need Goose? So, Goose, I'm going to be... Goose, I'm gonna go in the sun. Oh, in the shade right now, and it's freezing. Going in the sun, it's more nice. Oh, that's way better. That is way better. Goose, yeah, I hear birds right now. Sparrows. Goose. Goose. I'm gonna be training birds stuff. I'm not sure what I'm excited for this, Goose. Turn into a bird trainer, Goose. And Goose, yeah. Because I'm actually really excited for this. But Goose, first I need to practice, Goose. Because Goose, in order to be a bird trainer, you need to practice, Goose. Super important, Goose. Excuse you. Goose, Goose, I actually have a bird with me, Goose. It's not chirping because I trained it. Goose, it's actually on my hand. And Goose, it's a big one. It's an eagle, Goose. For real. And Goose, I'm actually gonna put you. I'm gonna snap you, Goose, on the back. Oh, Goose, did you hear that? Goose, he sure did that. I think he got scared, but don't worry, it's not gonna hurt. Now you hear that other bird up there? Yeah, I'm gonna show you, Goose. And I want to tell him to stop. Okay, Goose, go! Stop! He dropped the camera, as I told him to. Goose, I don't know if you could hear that. But Goose, yeah, good Goose. Goose, that was insane. Put you, Goose, on the eagle, Goose. That was what we insane, Goose. But Goose, I know that is insane. Oh, Goose, yeah. Oh, let's see a falcon. Look. Let's see that. How do you Goose not see that? Surprise! I can see it, Goose. Goose, I'm not even in the camera. It goes. Because why are the Blue Jays acting crazy? What the heck? This is insane. Oh my god. Goose. Good Goose. So another Blue Jay again. Goose. That's blue. Oh, they're calling Goose. Let's see if they stop. Be quiet! Let's just stop that first. That was actually funny. I literally said be quiet, they stopped for a moment. Look at this. Because imagine when I said eagles and they all take me. I'm going to try and pretend. Because I thought this was not going to happen. It's true. I hear flapping. Girls, they're taking me! Girls, where are they taking me? Girls! Girls, where are they taking me? Girls, I'm holding the camera still. Where are they taking me, girls? Girls, where are they taking me? This ain't good. Oh, they turned around. Who's all the eagles left? Guys, that was intense. Man, going inside. That was real goose. I'm not kidding, goose. Holy crap. Goose. I can't believe those eagles did that to me, goose. That's just insane. Goose, I'm gonna look at the window of this goose. She goes there, they're flapping around. Those are just insane blue jays that keep hacking. Goose. This is not good. There's a big bird population going on. Goose, do not know what I mean by that a bit. It means that there's a big flock of birds. Totally ripped by this. It means that there's a big flock of birds. Goose. And goose is the reason why is because there's someone chasing them, goose. Because I don't even know what is, but whatever it is, I need to help the birds, goose. I'm a bird trainer. Goose, yeah. Goose, what's that sound? Goose, do you hear that? Oh, sorry. Goose, yeah, Goose, do you hear? Goose, I actually hear birds. Wait, actually, Goose, I don't know if it is. Goose. Guys, it's all the way outside. It must be a lot. Goose, they're coming closer. I see them. They broke the window. They got in again. Oh, guys. Oh. Guys, I think all of the birds together made me stand while I was sleeping and I almost fell. Guys, what the heck? Guys, whoa. All of the birds are taking me somewhere. Where are they taking me, guys? I don't even know. Let me know because below what you guys think. Oh my gosh, guys. No time to talk. Ow. I think some of them pecked me. Guys, what the heck? Guys.